Welcome to the channel. So, your AI agents are only smart as the data they can see. If you're building autonomous systems that can't reach the live web because of bot detection or CAPTCHAs, you're building a blind agent. Now, today I'm going to show you how to give your AI eyes using Decodo. This is the only AI web scraper solution that handles all the technical friction, so you can focus on building intelligent workflows. Let's get into the video. All right, guys, welcome to Decodo. So, modern agents require unrestricted web access to perform market research or competitive analysis. Decodo is much simpler. So this acts as the connectivity layer, allowing agents to scrape any site, give you structured data for immediate decision-making. So no more waiting. So this is the Decodo tool you need to use. This is the Decodo scraper skill used in frameworks like OpenClaw. So if you're tired of, AI bots following short and they're just not getting the data you need, or you have to do so much maintenance to get that, well, stick with me. So here we can see the dashboard. We can see all the information. I have the scraping API, which is really cool. We have the search URL. All the information is here. And I can go ahead and pick my country. And we're also going to enable this agent use case. And then what we're going to do, we have all the information here. So we can just put in the information and just paste it in, and our API is good to go. So that's how we can get our API all set up. So we have the authentication token. We have the information for the country, the geolocation, and then we just have to make sure it's good. So we can actually do a live preview just to see how it works. So that's all we do. Open the dashboard, enable the agent, get the endpoint URL, paste in the credentials, give it a configuration file, and then we can see the agent right here, and we're going to see it get past. And I like to see, a lot of people brag about their AI. This one is actually going to do it right here. And to avoid being flagged, if you need more than just a basic AI web scraper, you need a massive proxy network, because just a basic scraper is going to get blocked. So Decodo provides access to over 125 million IPs across 195 locations. It handles IP rotation. Can see right here all the different proxies and disruptions that it can get past. So Decodo is ranked number 2 in the 2025 Proxy Way benchmarks for success rate, if you didn't know. So here we have all the informations. We have search query, and now we can go ahead and play with this. I'm going to see the raw output here, the parameters, and do target specific, the search query, and we can use this for Amazon. There's millions of use cases you can use it for, but we're going to use this. The nice thing also about this is that it does geo-targeting. So you can pick the USA, you can pick Germany, you can pick Thailand, and then you can run that request in that geographical location. Because IP rotation logs are very, very effective at making sure that it doesn't get stuck. And also, you don't need to write custom code, because Decodo offers 100 ready-made templates. So you don't really have to do any coding or know how to code or even be a developer for massive targets. We're taking a look at Amazon here, but Amazon, Google, TikTok. This is a highly efficient AI web scraper for e-com, social media, whatever you want to use. Look at everything right here. You don't have to build it from scratch. And now we have all the information for the Amazon product right here, the URL, everything. And we're scraping Amazon. This is not a small site. The best part about this is we can do JSON, we can do a table, you can get different formats. As you can see right here, and it's working very, very effectively. So the best part about this is here, you can also see the information, the search query, what we're looking for, what we want. So you can use this for multiple different uses. So stop fighting with bot blockers, start building. Use the link below to get 2,000 requests for Decodo. No credit card needed. Use my code for 10% off when you're ready to scale. And guys, super, super excited for you to try this out. I want to see what you're effectively able to scrape. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Thank you.